Getting the Christmas spirit in your home with Ikea product part 1. The Christmas season starts with hanging up the star. Choose one that looks as good by day as it does lit up at night. The hsrlayout lampshade is truly a three-dimensional marvel to behold and looks exquisite when lit up. Usher in the Christmas spirit with a festive wreath on your front door. Wreaths also make excellent table decorations for the living and dining room. The focal point of Christmas decor is undoubtedly the Christmas tree. Putting up and trimming a tree is one of the most magical and sentimental traditions of the season. You unpack treasured tree ornaments and reminisce on the memories they evoke while adding new ornaments and memories to go with them. It may be tempting to start tree decoration with the baubles, but it is so much easier when you start with the tree topper and the lights. The hsrlayout LED lighting chain has Santa-shaped lights to add a bit more fun to the tree. Turn the lights on and readjust if required to ensure that the entire tree is lit evenly. If you like bling, so will your tree. String the tree with beautiful garlands of silver or gold beads. Once you have the lights and garlands satisfactorily and evenly draped, it is easier to place baubles. The pearl-like Vinter 2022 garlands add a touch of glam to the tree. Set your theme colors of the year and let your imagination run riot. Ribbons are the traditional way to hang baubles, and the Vinter 2022 decoration hanger ribbons in red match the Christmas theme. If you find hanging decorations with ribbons too fiddly, the metal Vinter 2022 tree decoration hanger makes it so much easier.
For more interesting tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Thank you, Tamewood Spice.